Swiftkicker install. So swiftkicker.net. This is KTM 500 EXC. This is adjustable side stand. So this can be positioned anywhere you want. And that way, depending on what the level of the ground is, you can always stand your bike up. I'm sure you've been on a hill and you can't do that. So, I mean, I'm fitting it. I have a rally tank, I have racks, and it's a fit. But you need to make sure when you order one of these that there's a few variations that you get the correct mount set up. There's a few different bolts and springs and whatever. So it's a modular type of system. You can replace whatever you want if you happen to break something. So either contact Swiftkicker or contact tacomoto.co. He's a supplier for these, and I've taken off a Promoto billet side stand to replace it with this. That's how good this is.